Here's a new update for February 1st, 2013 on the, well, that's UPRO. On the S&P 30-day 1-minute chart, we have we corrected. We corrected in a 4 of 3 that had 5 waves down, and then we're forming a 5 of 3 up right now. Yesterday's video, I thought we'd gap down till around 1492, if at worst. The thing is that you really can't predict what's going to happen with the jobs number, so I took a stab in the dark. I thought we'd correct into a full 5th wave down around 1492 in the S&P. But it turns out we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a truncated 5th wave, and then the rally today. But in either case, though, I called this. I said we're going to correct around 1510, and I said we had 5 waves down, and then we get the rally, and then it's like I made entry today, but I'm up about 70 cents on UPRO, but I would have been a lot better trade if I bought at the low yesterday, but I didn't. But in either case, though, looking for a 5 of 3 here for S&P. Wave 1 equals wave 5 would be about 1520, and 0.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3 would be about 1535. For the Dow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of 5, 2 of 5 of 3, and target for the Dow would be about wow, right on the number, like 14,150, right near the all-time highs. Good chance we actually hit the all-time highs by next week, if this continues. And the spike from the off the jobs number was just amazing. It was a big spike, and looks very sustainable into the close. And I bought UPRO today. I was gonna buy it yesterday, like right at the low, like around 102, but then I chickened out. But I bought it at 104.19. Now it's like 104.96. So it's a good trade, but it could have been a lot better if I bought it at 102. For Nasdaq, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow, that's spiking. Whew, that's a big spike. My target would be about 32.50 if this is if it gets full 5 of 3, but it doesn't look as elegant as the Dow and S&P. Dow minimum target, like I said, is around 14,150, 160 if it's wave 1 equals wave 5, and again S&P target would be about between 1520 and 1535. And yes, I sold about, well, I have 31 annual subscriptions available at 189 a piece, and I'm probably gonna sell through them in the next couple days. So if you have the opportunity to get the annual subscription at this cheap price, the link is right below this video. And I figure I'll probably do like I said, maybe once or twice a month, but each time I do it, I sell a lot of them. And like I said in the past videos, like November 15,000, December 15,000, January 15,000. Actually, January is about 15,500, a little bit more than that, but that's a lot of money to be made on subscriptions. I make my best months trading are usually between 25 and 30,000, and if I make that off of subscriptions, that's pretty fucking good. So, but yeah, there's so much demand for my website right now. It's like I'm so overwhelmed by it. It's not hard to set up accounts, but like I haven't seen anything like this. It's been a long time since I've seen like a lot of excitement over my website. And just recently, Don Walonchuk posted on the message board. He said, like, in his cryptic fashion, he says that, "No, Ted, you're the best," and like, you're scary, you're the best. And I was like, really? Yeah, this is like one of the top market timers in history, like validating telling people that like he's like I'm the best there is. That's a pretty good validation. I had a big article that I posted that said that I'm the best, but it was my own article, but to have him say that is really validating for me. He's been my mentor for like almost like 12 years now. I've been following his message board for a long time, so if you have a chance to check out his message board, it's siliconinvestor.com, and this guy's like he's like one of the best. He's probably the best analyst that I've ever seen in terms. So I followed him for like 12 years. He doesn't even know that I've been following him this long. Like, and I follow his every word. He doesn't even know that. But yeah, it's pretty validating to hear that from him. But you know, I believe that I've been the best, but I tell it to myself all the time. But to have him say that is actually pretty validating. But again, yeah, the annual subscription is going to be available for $189. The $399 annual subscription will be available for $189 until Sunday or until I sell out. And there's 31 spots left. And I'm actually pretty close to. I think I'm going to sell out like in the next couple of days, so don't miss out. That's a wrap.